Hey guys, let's talk about the Blow Dry It Thermal Smoother Cream by L'Oreal. This is a cream that's supposed to tame your frizz and add some heat protection for all heat tools. So whether you're blow drying, straightening, or curling your hair, you can slather a little bit of this on to protect your hair from all the damage that heat brings. I know I do it because I have curly hair and I straighten it. So all you're going to do is blow dry your hair in a downward motion after placing this on your hair. You're supposed to squeeze a quarter size amount into your hair for mid-length hair. Maybe you need a little bit less, maybe you need a little bit more like me, and then you apply it to your damp hair before applying any heat. And there you go, you just blow dry that, and then you can style it however you want with the curling iron or the straightener. But overall, this keeps your hair intact. It's going to protect it from breakage, from heat damage, and all the bad stuff that comes with styling your hair. So I definitely recommend it.